Not be every time person dey eat rice on Sunday. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are having unripe plantain porridge for dinner for Sunday. Yes. So as you can see, I've peeled my plantain. It's unripe plantain, guys, with carrots and some green peas, as you can see. Then I just put everything together. I'm adding chopped pepper with onions. So I will be adding my spices, which is salt and mangi as well. Okay. After that, I have some leftover fish that is not much. Yeah, it's not much. So I will be adding the fish to it as well. And I have one left tilapia fish as well. So I will add the fish, then I will add water, more water to it, and that will be it. The next thing will be to cover and cook. As you can see, I'm adding my fish. Yeah, head of state. Head of state. So now we'll be adding the tilapia I was the tilapia I was talking about. So it's one full tilapia, not too big. So I'll just add it. Yeah. So I'll add more water to cook. Then I will just cover and allow it to cook very fast. As we all know, plantain doesn't take time at all. So the next step is to check on plantain porridge. As you can see, it's looking really tempting. As you can see here, look at that. Oh my God, it's looking tempting. Yeah. So I'm still going to cover it and cook. So at this point, the plantain was wet cooked, was soft. As we all know, plantain doesn't take time to be, to prepare. So the next will be to add spinach. Yeah, I add a little bit of spinach. I wish I had more at home. I would have added more spinach because this type of food, you need a lot of vegetable. But I didn't add more spinach. I didn't have more spinach at home. So as you can see, the food is ready. Ready to be, guys, this unripe plantain is really amazing. It's one of my favorites. Very healthy. So I just serve it, as you can see, and my lunch is ready. And it was very delicious. It really came out well. As you see, I did not add any oil to it. Ni palm oil, ni olive oil, ni groundnut oil, nothing. As you can see, and it came out well. It's really delicious. Will you be trying this out? I know a lot of people prefer ripe plantain instead of unripe plantain. Let us know at the comment section which one do you prefer. Thank you.